and I mean, you've noticed that our western counties are already under a tornado watch.
Yeah.
Are you expecting that to be extended into the Metroplex?
Well, it's interesting. That comes from the Storm Prediction Center. So they're going to make that call probably the next hour and a half to 2 hours. The better dynamics are west this morning. I think as this line's moving east, the instability really not there for these tornadoes. However, the threat has been there, and we've been watching this. We issued this first alert weather day last week for the potential of some rain and storms for today, and that's what we're seeing now this morning. So taking a look at the first alert, satellite and radar, about 10 minutes after 5 this morning, you can see that we don't have a lot of activity in parts of the Metroplex. Overnight, we did see some storms move through, sub-severe. There are still some roadways that are a bit damp out there. A little bit more rain falling right now near Sanger, stretching back to the west a bit more, though. You can see that we have a couple of areas that I'm looking at. Do have some more organized rain through parts of Hood County, Somerville County, down into parts of Stephenville County, Stephenville, I should say, stretching down to near Hamilton. But further to the west, you notice how this line, it's broken. It's still there. Continue to make its way from west to east. So as that's going to be moving in, we do have the potential of it working its way closer towards the Metroplex by between about maybe 7 to 8 o'clock. So here's kind of like the time frame that you can expect as we go through the morning hours. 5 o'clock, our west county. So about now, see, it's maybe delayed a little bit. By the time we get to 8, that system moving its way through. So let's take a look at that on the first alert futurecast. As this is pushing its way east, by 7 to 8, I expect to see more activity developing through parts of the Metroplex as this line moves in. I think the biggest threat today will be damaging wind gusts. But whenever you have a squall line like this, there's that potential of a quick spin-up tornado on that leading edge. Haven't seen a lot of that so far this morning. The better dynamics further to the west where the tornado watch is in place. As we're going through the remainder of the morning hours, I still think damaging wind gusts are the biggest concern. By the time we get to 10 to 11, that cold front continues to shift its way to the east, and we see the clouds clear out, and we still remain pretty windy through the day ahead. So the tornado watch does not include the Metroplex, does include Montague County down to Eastland County and west as we go through the remainder of the morning hours, at least until 10 o'clock. There is that slight risk of any storms reaching severe limits. That does include the Metroplex, so I want you to stay weather aware through the remainder of the morning hours. We're at 72 right now, but look at the winds out of the southeast at 21, gusting to 32, a sign of the breezy conditions ahead of this cold front that is on the way. We're in the upper 60s to the low 70s. Our temperatures will remain relatively steady or cool down a couple of degrees as we go through the noontime hour, then back up to about the 70-degree mark. I want to show you real quick the first alert 7-day forecast because we have a first alert weather day today for severe storms. But Madison and Carmen on Wednesday, look at that big cool down, high of only 62 degrees. So first alert weather day for that big cool snap on the way.